Okay, we should be online. Just getting the link for my beautiful stream. All right, the loads. Okay. Okay. First of all, you should all go to my amazing blog. It's kind of weird. Today I'm streaming later for whatever reasons. It's not relevant. I'm strangely hyped. Yesterday I was so tired, and even though I just came home now, I'm weirdly optimistic. So let's see what I will do today, right? So there's a lot of things still to be done here. And the heck? Okay. There's a lot of VM stuff. Or script library function, I mean. But I think the first thing that I'll work on is the motion blur, right? Motion blur info, okay. Qt. Okay. There's this Qt thing. Qt. Okay. Quaternion, maybe Quaternion. Okay. Entity, activate motion blur, 44. Okay. I believe this might be the thing. This guy. I don't see any calls to new here, so. Wait, motion trail info. Wait. Motion trail info. Alrighty, so I already have this here. Motion trail. Okay, so it calls this empty constructor. Okay, do I have a +16? I have no idea what's the +16. So motion trail info. Do you have an idea where this is located? Motion trail info. Oh, interesting. So let's see around here. Entity manager. So it seems to be with entity. And it's strange. Yeah. Who calls this motion? It seems to be in between this, but at the same time, this function is huge. I think I'll just create a 2. Yeah, okay. I'll just create a new file. Is it the only place where it's used? Throw item, copy instance. Seems to be between lots of entity code, so maybe it's not. Maybe it should actually be an entity. What does it do on this version motion trail? Let's see. Activate motion trail. Yes. Oh. So MBI motion trailing. So okay, they have a single interface called MBI. Okay. Where is this defined though? Motion blur info. Blur is as. Okay. You can see here the quaternion. Motion blur info, motion. Maybe I can sneak here the code, right? And just add here the other one. Class motion trail info. Okay. Motion trail info and export. Maybe I can just copy paste MBI, CP. Oh, or what? Okay, where is it defined? MBI, MBI. Wait, I'm in the. I'm in the wrong place. Okay. Motion blur info. Yeah, yeah. Oh, so define it in entity? What the fuck? That's very weird. Okay, motion trail buffer. Motion. So they turn that into quaternions. Okay. I have no idea. Entity CPP. So just to be sure, let's include the good old MBI here. Motion. So this motion blur exists below entity manager. Huh. Yes, what's the lowest function that I have here, right? Eee. So much code, my god. So set max slides, okay. Set max slides. Oh, so it should be above. Oh, wow. So the code order is quite wacky here. So have I done entity manager though? Maybe just, okay. So deregister entity. Purge. It's right here. What the heck? How did I miss this? Okay. Destroy all. So let's just add it here. Motion trail stuff. Motion trail stuff. Motion trail info. Info. Motion trail info. And take 2. Okay. This is not enough. So yeah. Crazy, I know. That's what happens when you need to patch. Validate motion trail info. And do the same with patch. And you've got a friend. Motion trail info, okay, that's good. So Validate size, motion trail info 3C if I'm not mistaken. Right. Right, Mr. Trail info. How do I know that's activate motion? Yeah, okay, it's 3C. So yeah, 3C. Oh, I forgot to boot up the IDE. That's bad. That's what they usually call a big mistake. But got 1, so the size is 1. Alright, if you say so. So what I'm gonna do here is here, go to this beautiful class and say struct motion trail info. And then you do it doesn't matter, char straight B, and then you do last, something like this, and it's 3C, and this should be enough. So I'm gonna define it. Yeah, okay, you need to be careful because the gap will be materialized motion trail info pointer. Yay, so now I have a bunch of gaps. Yay. Okay, maybe I'll just define things here, right? This guy. This is a pointer to quaternions, so that's why it's 24. How big is 24? That's 18. Okay. Struct qt is char. Doesn't matter. Come on, 17 char last. Yeah. That's sweet. Okay, now we have this. And this thing at C over here, it's a qt pointer. It's not recognizing that the size of that. Okay, whatever. So 10. So this 16 plus 10. And I'd rather have it this way. Okay, this 1A. These guys are like this. So 22, there's nothing there. The heck? 22, 2 to 24. Oh, I messed up. Messed up. 38. So it's 38. Ah, this guy. And done. Okay. So this looks fine. Motion trail info. Okay, so the thing about no, this guy. See, there's a hidden function here. So I assume that it looks like the free, right? Motion trail info. Yeah. All right. So motion trail info blur. Yep. V2. What's V2? 0. Oh, it's a float. There's something that's a float. Ah. Oh, my bad. So the thing there should be empty. Oh. So I goofed up. So this class over here is actually called empty. Fuck off. Oh, nice. So it just adapted. Okay. Yeah, apparently there's a float. I know nothing about that. Let's just do struct empty sign char a is char lasts. Yeah. Yes. Struct motion trail info inside So char 3b char last. Okay. Motion trail info. Motion trail info. Bam. Do this. So gap 1a. $28, $38, right over here. Yep, it looks fine. A5, yes, construct new array. I forgot this guy. And new array is at position C, right? And it's the empty. Yeah. Is it the same offsets though? Okay, it is indeed a float. So field 38 is a float. Whatever floats. This guy. This guy is a float. Okay. And yeah, they match. So let's just quickly define these guys. Yoink. Do I have a empty class? Fine, or a struct empty? Struct empty. No. It's looking for, okay. I'll just look for empty. Motion trail. Alrighty-o. So, where is this guy? What's going on? Okay. So, let me go to my good friend MBI. I guess I'll need to define struct empty with the size of, oh yeah, I can just do padding. Yeah, this looks fine. So, void validate motion trail, void validate empty, void validate size 18, DLL. Okay. Bam. So here we go. My validations. Go here. Okay, all good. So time to check the live here with the snipping tool. I'll just make things private. I'm that cool. So we have a field 0, and we have padding 4 until we have empty field C. Then we have 1A minus C minus 4. Field 1A. It is 1A actually, yeah. That's such a weird place to start. But okay, 1A, 1E, adding 24 minus 1E minus 4. That's the good amount to pad. Int field 28 and float field 38. And do the padding between these two, which is 38 minus 28 minus 4. Alrighty. I guess we have everything here. Yeah, I can just copy paste this guy. So it's already there. So motion trail info. Yeah, here. Bam. Yeah, I guess it's just new. How do I do a new array? Ah, wait, new array C++. I always forget this. New array C++. Return new, yeah. Size, no, that's not how you do it. New, okay. So new empty size of A2, bam. And that's how it goes. Okay, this looks good. And it's exported. And now it's time to add validation. So validation, motion control info, field 0 at 0. That's not a question. Field C at C. Field 1A at 1A. Field 1E at 1E. Field 28 at 28. Okay, this feels like a better split. Cannot access private fields. That's crazy. Friend. Wait. Oh. Yeah. I thought I had already done that, which is true. I just done that. Field 24 is not a... Where the fuck is field 20? Yeah, that's true. So I actually need another one. So, and field 24. Oh yeah, and okay. And yeah, I actually need to add field 24 there. There, okay. So I have proper validation, right? It failed the validation. But see, I got 8. Yeah, that's true. It should have been this. And I guess the rest will follow through. No, it's still wrong. Let's see. 3C but got 40. So 1A but got 1C. But okay, let's remove the padding from this. Oh yeah, maybe I got 10. Okay, I only need padding of this amount then. But what the heck? It's not working because of the stupid. There's something weird about this. So 4, right? So 14. Okay. So padding. Okay, let's just put 8 there, right? It's indeed a weird offset. That's why I guess it was hard for me. I got 18. Okay. Things are getting better. So 18, we got 1 8. Okay. I cannot go this far, right? So 9. What's going on? Bro, why is this thing rounding? But it's actually annoying. Maybe I should add some padding and not some. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this, but I think I'll need to do the crazy thing about packing. Okay, right here. These two guys. Not a fan, but that's what I gotta do. Yeah, if it works, it works. I'm not gonna cry. Nice. So now things are way better. Yeah, now the validation passes. Who would have thought that the validation would have worked when the fields align, right? Who would have thought? Entity, Mr. Entity. Here. Yeah, it's quite a big class. Motion trail info. This guy. Let's actually take a look at this one. Yeah. What the heck is going on? Okay. This looks really good. No complaints from me. Let's go. Is there a poor man's diff checker? Because this diff checker online is really good. Oh. Now that I've noticed, maybe, right? Can do a field 1A0, field 1A0. Right, let's just comment these guys and see what happens. Huh. Interesting, I guess. Field 28. Field 28.0. Bam. This is interesting. Okay, let's just open this. I forgot that I bought snip pastes. But it kind of collides with the new IDA keyboard shortcuts. Maybe I can talk with the guy. Motion trail info. What? What the heck? Hmm. Hmm. And can I set up a decomp me for this? Yo. Okay, start decomping. high res. What did I use for this? Can I copy, fork, delete? No, 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 no options. Yeah, okay. Okay, let me use this guy, right? Crystal Gamer. Oh my god, such the coolest one. Oh, I need the Win 32. Am I going crazy? There's no Win. Right here. Okay. Sometimes I'm just stupid. Target assembly. Let's see if this works, right? Context. Junk. Six. Oh, wow. I think I know what's the problem, right? What? No, out of here. Okay, so the problem... it doesn't support multi-core cursors. Why do they add Copilot before adding multi-cursor support, man? It's so weird. Yeah, now I have Copilot here. I can tell it to go eat a dick. This is the weirdest addition. I gotta be honest. For all of the wacky shit that Microsoft has done, adding Copilot was probably takes the cake and is one of probably the worst decisions of all time. This guy, what's the actual offset, right? It's 12 C. Okay, C. So you can just do plus C. Yay. I'll just remove this. Yoink. Now it should work. Oh. Error. Red. Okay, it's red 4. Sweet. Okay. Now let's just copy a few things from here, right? So let's do kill yourself. Okay, padding. Maybe I need my padding, my patch. I don't know. My exp. It's PC Globals, right? That has the padding stuff, right? Padding. Yoink. Let's define there. Error. Line 12. What's the problem? Class. Oh, yeah. Okay. So the problem is that maximize speed. C++. No, no. Yes, everything is fine. Yeah, okay. Missing before motion trail info. Where? Line 18. Line 18. Okay. This guy. Beautiful. Now I can copy my amazing phone. And let's see. Shadam. Oh, nice. Okay. Source code. Save. Alrighty. Maybe I should just leave this as is, or no? Who knows, right? Let's try some stuff here. So if I uncomment this, it doesn't change shit. Let's just put here like 69, right? 69. Doesn't change anything. Hmm. Build 082. No, okay, this is way too stupid. Like, this is not bad, right? It's just weird. What if I go full? Does it matter if I put this up top? It does, okay. It does matter. Like, everything here is fine, except for this fella. Let's take a look at this word, right? 16. That's fine. 1A, 1E, 24. Very surprising, I gotta say. Mm-hmm. I'll leave it as is not a big problem. I don't think it's worth the effort, you know, to try to go deeper than this. Okay. Almost matching. The prologue is slightly different. Do with it. Okay. That's cool. Yeah. Down here. Motion drill info, so patch, push red poly. Yeah. So at least I've set up this is called a scratch. So if anyone wants to help me, I'll greatly appreciate. Motion drill info per entity. Motion drill info. There you go. So keep diff. Beautiful. So motion drill info. Motion drill info. Okay. And there's the destructor, right? But apparently the destructor doesn't seem to ever be called. It's shocking. Entity. Maybe it got in line. I think that might have been the problem, right? So entity. Oh, oh yeah. Oh yeah, right here. Motion drill info. Yeah. Okay, so the destructor is also something very simple. Is MDI, just like this guy. It is trail info. And it's just a delete. And I guess that's fine. Doesn't change much stuff, to be honest. This guy. Yeah, this guy. Yoink. And the TOBJ. CRTXCU. Motion trail info. Bam. Oh wow. I forgot to rename this guy, apparently. Okay. And yeah, here it is. Yep. That's fine. So this function. What? It's not the same though. Wait, this is not the same thing. Don't lie to me. But it does exist at least. Motion trail info. Oh, it looks like it's defined above. Okay. Oh. So above motion trail info. I have no idea what these functions are. Yeah, I have no idea. Alrighty. Oh look, it's QT. Okay. Yeah, not good. Find like item. All right. So I didn't want to do motion blurring. Okay, that's the motion blurring for now, right? Well, it looks like the same size as motion trail info though. 3C, 30. Okay, no. Actually, it looks like it. So motion blur. Can I eyeball it? Can I eyeball it? Is motion blurred? Okay, let's just go down here and is motion blur. Activate motion blur. Bam. Where's the allocation though? Motion blur info. Okay. Fake motion trail. Looks like it's bigger here. Okay. It doesn't look like this though. What the heck? Alrighty. Let's ignore motion stuff for now. Game. What about game? Ooh. Mm-hmm. Can I maybe I should look into camera. Oh fuck, it's an entity. Why is everything an entity in this game? My god. But yeah. I tried to run away from this guy and that's what I get. Should I have a game? Maybe. Might be cool though. So how big is the game view table though? Script MFG. Yeah, there's a lot of things here. But does it have a vtable or it's everything? If it doesn't have a vtable, it will slightly make my life harder. I just need to check the destructor. Game settings. Oh, it doesn't have virtual stuff. Oh, okay. Game settings. Storage management. Okay. It's becoming annoying. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not a liar. What the heck? Oh, BC. So there's this thing called BC. Ah, BC. Does it exist in Kali Slaters? Kali Slaters. This guy. Let's actually take a look at game. Yeah. I wonder how that streaming stuff works. Sniper camera. Lol. Oh yeah. I can probably look into WDS, aka World Dynamic Systems. So this might be a good one to do. So let's just go here and copy WDS. It's another big one, but at least seems fun. Like another part of the game to get lost in. Whee! Like it was so slow in the beginning and it's still going. 10k lines of beautiful code. Let's just run this. Oh no, cannot include animation maker. Where is animation maker? Okay, animemaker.h, right? Animemaker. Oh no. Let's go. Element.h. Where's element.h? Element. Ah. P. Okay. Element.h. Okay. Error. So 36. Always. List. Right here too. Vector. Okay, there's none of those. Ooh, element 195. Okay. Ooh. Panic. I had to do this. Cannot open FCS. Okay, FCS.h. FCS. Oh, nice. Looks tiny. Image actuator. Game info.h. Okay. Okay, info.h. Let's see. GeoMGR. GeoMGR.h. Enough, no. GeoMGR. Even though the entity stuff is boring, this is painful. Projconst. Projconst.h, right? Projconst. Let's move this here. Frustrum. Meh. Boy still hasn't gotten to the bottom. Frustrum. Article cleaner. H. Good. Vector. Oh yeah, my bad. Oh, I don't like this. When classes extend base class, script leave control. Oh, script leave control. Is it? Where is it? It's in line 71. Oh, so it's lower. Okay, script leave control. Script. I want to go back to script stuff, but I need to make more of the game. I need to finish more of the game, I mean. Script controller. Script. Signal.h. Signals. There you go. Switch object. Ah, that's an interesting one. Switch obj. Switch obj.h. There we go. At this point, no, my bad. Switch of signals.h. Lens flare. I will get so many linking errors. I'm already predicting this. Trigger.h. Okay. Trigger.h. Let's go. What else do I need? Trigger signals. Did they sort these alphabetical? It's kind of strange if they did. Okay. Missing before in regions. What was the issue again? Okay. So line 73. Trig in regions. Yeah, okay. Trig region P set. What the fuck is this? Patch. Uncomment. Why was that thing commented out? 105. Sorry. Script access. There's a lot of script stuff going on now. Script access. Oh, script access .h. Let's go. Crawl box. Line 92. I think I'm getting close to patch. No, I'm not. So crawl box.h. Crawl box.h. I think that box trigger interface, so NGL support. But I have no idea what this is. Patch. Kelly Slate. Okay, I'm going to the camera tool. Maybe camera tool.h. Let's get camera tool.h. Maybe it's okay. I got it not found. I think I know why. Yeah, okay. These are Kelly Slater stuff. So let's just comment these guys. Woo! 102 errors. G world pointer redefinition. Or where is it defined though? Okay. Nice. So only 102 errors. That's sweet, max players. So, oh. Where is max players to find? Max players. Okay, whatever. To do. Still 102 errors. Hero pointer. Okay. Hero PTR. The fuck? Where does hero PTR? Yeah. But I don't see where it's defined. Is this some kind of joke? Oh, okay, no. In WDS, hero PTR. So now I've got 270 errors. That's so sweet. So hero, what? So I guess it's an, wait. Wait. Anything with Kelly Slater can go bye-bye. Bye-bye. 222. How the fuck? Why am I getting more errors now? So Hero PTR. Inch. So maybe I should do this. See how does this go? KS controller. Oh, okay. So KS controller 368. That's so cool, man. You're right. You're right. Panic. Return null. Panic. Return null. Okay. Now, this is how you fix problems if you're curious. Okay. Now I've got it, getting no errors. Except on WDS, of course. Now we're back to the 102 errors, which is 207. So, just do this. So with this, I didn't even fix one single error. That's crazy. Actually, I should go around and fix this guy. So this, okay, that was lucky. STD. Apply damage not supported. I guess we'll see that. I'll be the judge. So, yay. I'm having lots of fun. Okay. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? No. Yeah, okay. STD. STD. And it's going straight to the top, so my eyes are not following it. Let me just quickly check something. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And I'm halfway there. Nice. Oh, nice. Nice. Lord. When will this be over? Well, I'm getting tired of just doing the macro stuff. Jeez. Jesus. Only pressing capital. Oh, okay. Okay, I think it's done. Okay. The errors didn't go down because that's kind of expected. Static cast to light source error. Cannot convert. What are you talking about? Sure. Panic. This always works. The error count doesn't go down. What is wrong with this game? I mean, what is wrong with region node list? So, entity maker. So it's in entity maker, right? Entity maker. Not sure if right. Let's just do this. So error before, and okay, the problem everyone is having is this guy. Still 102 errors. That's beautiful, man. Add light source. No. Parse in. Okay, this is beautiful. This is the type of function that I do this. Okay. And get board member. Okay. Get board. Oh wow. Oh, what? What did it, is it stupid? Vim is stupid. Why? I'm actually tweaking. What? So, what the heck is this function? So what I can do is go here. But this is not what? No. That's not how any of this works. That's so wrong. No. This is so... What? Why does it think it ends there? What? What the hell? Okay, let me use the superiority of this is load scene, right? Load hero. Okay, load hero. Okay, load hero. Load. Just show me load hero. So load hero, load AI hero. Okay, so yeah, it just needs to go load AI. Nice. Then you do this, and then you do a panic. Okay, this is fine. Set flag. Let's get board IDX. Okay, get board. Okay, actually, panic. This is unironically pissing me off. So set up cameras, right? Okay. Okay, why is that even a thing? I think the macro stuff is left open. So script requires, okay, there's a lot of NGL mentions. UChar 512. Sure. Okay, finally one that works. Okay. My God. Okay. So many errors. Flag stash only. Flag. Yes, panic, return true. Define target PC. Panic. Okay. The errors still exist. String texture director. String texture director. Okay. And the errors still go beyond 100. Get player camera. Get player camera. Patch for now. And another panic here. Just as a good measure. Revcom. Rev. Oh. Yeah. That's very interesting. I accidentally created GPSG. Panic. We're almost get board member. Okay. Get board member. Okay. This is insane. KS controller. KS controller. Yeah, you. Hey man, yeah. I still have hundreds of errors. There's a lot of Kelly Slater stuff that I think. Therefore I am. Okay, no more KS controller. The errors stop counting after 100. So it's really hard to see. So. Wait. It's not a friend. It's not an entity, I mean. So panic, return null. I wish there was a way to increase the error count. Add box trigger, what? Class entity, error. Add box overloaded member function. What do you mean over class entity? Add box trigger. Oh. I'd comment this guy out. Okay, that's fine. What? 302. What? Missing comma before pointer. 302. Missing comma before pointer. No, I'm not. Missing comma before. I think the problem is this guy, right? Yeah, before first reasons. Okay. Region node list. Okay. Entity maker. I have no idea. Maybe I should just patch include entity maker h. I guess. Oh. Okay. Not this, but this. Okay. Much better. Oh yeah. Oof. 102 errors. Okay. Reason cannot. Okay, shut the fuck. Add light source. Okay, I guess I add light source. Did I? Should I, just ignore these guys? As they are PC. Okay, good. Okay. Disappear. I see the same error like 20 times, so as physical IFC. Okay. Physical interface. Oh, nice. Has bounced. Okay, whatever. So class physical. Oh yeah, okay, okay. This is really good to see. So that would yes. Um. Okay. Did I remove that code? So do 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 do. So it doesn't recognize anything as physical FC. New item. Ah, item, 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 item. Okay, no, it's about item. Okay, have item. Yeah, plus item. Entity. Okay. Now I know. What does it feel like? Okay, I actually need to go back to entity physical. Physical interface. Yeah. Where can I put it? Mm-hmm. Okay. So my light manager, right? My light. Yeah. Okay. So let's just put it here, right? Doesn't hurt anything. Ooh, only 52 errors. Finally. Listen, cannot convert string X to entity ID. Okay. Add light source. Okay, okay. Add light source. Okay, beautiful. So this guy can just go kick rocks. 51. Nice. Let's do this. Anything that's NGL related, I should nuke it. Panic. Or no. Set current light. It doesn't work that way. Because it doesn't know what's NGL light context. Or NGL. Wait. NGL light context. Oh. Should I just, you know. Wait, let's actually do it this way. 42 errors. Oh my god, 10 errors were just nuked. User cam controller. Okay, user cam controller. Theta. Good question. Good question. Good question. Good question. 38. That's fine. No conversion between 10 and 12. That's beautiful, man. I really understand what this error is about. 32 errors. Fine. Undeclared identifier. Are you serious? No, that's fine. So let's just do this. Oh yeah, the assertion. 2. Okay, we went full circle. 13 errors. That's crazy. Flag stash only. Flag. Okay. 11 errors. So int detail level. Int. Yeah. I don't know. to do. Let's just do this guy. Panic. It's only there. Okay, should be 10. String texture there. Okay. Add material set. Okay. 8 errors. Entity particle generator. Okay, that's fine. Entity particle gen. Oh yeah, indeed. This is the type of function to do this. And okay, there's one more. Panic. Curve detail. 4994. Yeah. So panic. Panic. Okay. See declaration of entity. Okay, now cannot convert light source to entity. There's cannot convert from light source. Light source, I guess. Light source. Ah. Okay, that makes sense. Now I can cast it. Okay. Still have build errors. Okay, particle. Cannot convert string X. Okay, that's fine. So 914. That's really interesting. Okay. New PG. Right. So eternal. It's indeed super interesting. Hardware Rasta, get poly count. For Fuchs. Get poly count. Oh yeah, Kelly Slater's region. What the heck? What are these guys though? Panic. Visit 3868. Now it's time for the linking errors. Ugh. For fuck's sake. What's the name of the function? Do entity to entity collisions. Oh, it's right here that it happened. Okay. CPP. Do entity collision check. Okay. So just go to from here to do entity. Let's do entity. Do entity to entity. Wait a moment. So do entity to entity. Oh, okay. Just stupid name. Entity. What? Entity. Okay. Terrain. Okay, it couldn't find that for some reason. I have no idea why. Oh, STL algo. What? Region info struct. What the binary? Not which takes left of region info. Find. Render data. What? I have no idea where this error comes from. Struct. So it's So fine. I guess it's this guy, right? This is probably the worst error that I've got so far. Okay, nice. Okay, so it builds. So git commit. Look at the differences now. Git status. So I added all of these files. No CPPs though. Yeah, that's kind of expected. So add files to folder. Header includes. Yeah, scripts, and just add all of them. Cool thing about the IDE is that I can re-add the same ones over and over. Export make file. Nice. So git status. Only did one commit today. What? My God. I'm kind of shocked that I only did a commit. Oh yes. Checkpoint. Builds. No linking. That's the crazy part. Only one commit so far. But that's how it looks like sometimes. Okay. It can go away. Go away. So let me take a look at the errors. Ooh, it's not that many. Sky lens flare. So I see constructors here. Class default unresolved STD class vector 3D hit list. What the? Okay. Terrain, find sector. Oh yeah, there's terrain. I kind of forgot about it. Not here. Terrain. Class terrain. Yeah, okay. Terrain CPP. Yeah, I never done this guy. Come here. Includes part. I don't give a damn. Let's see what Mr. Terrain CPP. Okay. Oh my. It's this thing once again. Oh, okay. I need to include BSP3. So the real question is how many files more do I need to include? BSP3.h. BP3. Definitely I'll need to include BP3. Yeah, it doesn't know what's BP3. BP3.h. Even looks like binary, the hyperplane. Yeah, this is starting to look scary. Binary tree. How deep can it go? Binary tree.h. Finally. Okay, I don't need that STL adapter. I have no idea what's that vector alloc. Vector alloc.h. Vector allocator. Okay, that's interesting. What? So now I've got again 100 errors. Oh, okay. Vector alloc, line 30. So BS, there's so many errors. There's, I'm so confused because it's always the same error being printed hundreds of times. This is the great part about C++. If the compiler, I really want a setting, just say, hey, stop on the first error, man. No need to nut on my output just to tell me there's a problem. I think I've said this multiple times, but when during my compilers class in university, I always hated the error handling part because I thought it was dumb. Basically, what happens is that the compiler will So there's different types of way of fixing the error. Either you stop, which I'd say is what you should do, or you just try to fix the error and continue going. So sometimes you've got these weird errors because the compiler assumed something. 53. Huh. Before what? BSP3. Okay. Is line 53. Oh, a bidirectional iterator, for sure. 40 errors. We can do this. Class. And find 65. Oh, wait. Oh, binary tree. Okay. Okay, this guy. Go. 34 errors. Good. BP3. Man, I'm still fixing BP3. What's the error? 17. STD. Or there? No. 20 errors. Okay. $14 errors. Nice. So, okay, now it's here. So, ngl load mesh file. Okay. I can do something really cool, which is this. Vector. No, what's the line? 695. This guy. Oh, nice. 45 linking errors. And it just keeps growing. Huh. Yes. So now 2 of these files have so there's AGG word buff CPP. Let's just add this because we'll need them. AGG. Yeah, sweet. And we got more errors. XYZ. What? These 3. What? Rasterize? How does it? Can I ignore this guy? For funsies? Seems to be working. Nice. So profiler, what? Why is this the only file that? Syntax error missing before XYZ. What? How? How is this even importing that? Aggregate is not a class or namespace. Okay. Let's just import this guy, right? Nice. Missing before XYZ. What? I might be a little dumb, but what the heck? Wee! What's the problem with these 3D rasterize? What? Missing before texture manager? How is this even texture? How is this even reaching that part of the code? A3. Okay. Get name. What? I don't understand. I really don't see the problem with this. What's the big deal? Does the Unix okay, much better. Okay, so the problem is that it doesn't know what string X. Okay, that's the problem. All of that shit because of this. Oh, 72 errors. And we got more problems now. OS file. Oh my god. I wanted to get away from the madness. Okay. Actually, I can just, include this. Because they are so tightly coupled. 71 errors. Nice. Oh, now it's rasterized. It's re-rasterized. Let's go. Line 55. Oh, okay. PC algebra. Okay. PC algebra.h. Okay, let's go. Man, it causes the full rebuild of most things. 35 and quads. Before diffuse 70. Yeah, okay, that's right. Hatch. Okay, most of the things are common to the out. This causes a big rebuild of most stuff. I didn't know that. Mostly, I guess it's globals. Before diffuse. Yes. So pmesh. Oh my god. Pmesh dot. Panic. Okay, now it should be better. This is insane. 211. What? Is not a member of hardware. Yeah, I know. Oh, I didn't save this. Okay. Okay, WDS builds, but not aggregate vert buffer. AGG vert buffer. Okay, my bad. So it definitely needs this. Two errors. So nice. Let's just do this. I don't have patience. 47 errors. Nice. Ugh. The number of linking errors, it's increasing. Vert buff, xform, unlock, lock, vert buff. Okay, lock. Oh. Okay. So terrain, and okay, I guess it's this one. Panic. Oh my lord. Panic. 41. Okay, this is definitely improving. Um. Okay, terrain, static vector, show plane list. Show plane. Wait, fuck. Okay, whatever. Get surface. It's only used here, right? Panic. Okay. Nice. Okay, let's go to WDS. Scene animation. Scene animation. Okay. Let's actually define this here. Panic. Good. 39 linking errors. Item. So many. App file close. Get memory image. It's a different file. Convex box. The linking errors in terrain are so weird. Convex box. Somehow it requires convex box. Okay, WDS app file. Maybe I can do this app file now. App file.h. No, of course not. Ah, so it's in file. File H. File CPP. Of course. Okay. So let's just do this and see how well does it go. Oh, geez. Unary. So there's a couple build errors. I have no idea what this is about. So panic. Set FP. Oh, indeed. I haven't done text file, so I'm sorry. And yeah, see the amount of times it repeats the same error. It's mind numbing. Get name. Get name. Yeah. Return string X. There you go. 35. Entity maker item. Hmm. Physical interface set last collision. Set last collision normal. Yep. Panic. That's good. Text file open. Hmm. And just do this. Sweet. $32. Resolve collision. Resolve collision. Resolve. Hmm. 30. Nice. That's good. C++, yeah. Yesterday I had a surprising productive stream, and today it's surprising. It's the opposite. That's what I want to say. So, KS external symbol. Ah, yes. I have no idea where those come from, but 28 unresolved. Polytube, convex box. If convex box. Maybe I don't even need any code. That will be sweet. It's 27. So item. Which item? Who knows? Yeah, I'll just go the easy way out. Panic. Panic. Still? Completely valid strategy. But it didn't help. What? Item, item. Yeah, what? Item, yeah. What? Is there another constructor that I don't know of? String X? Oh. 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 I didn't know it's that, like, that's 39 unresolved. What the So I add here one line and it just causes World War III. Terrain. Okay, terrain is being silly, but whatever. Polytube. So chunk file, of course. Lens flare. Chunk file, of course. Maybe I can fix these. Lens flare. Yeah, chunk file. Ah, okay. It's all of these function. Oh god, it's all of these. Okay. How did it increase so much? Item preload. Oh my god. Maybe I should just add a bunch of item stuff, right? Maybe I should just create item. This is one of the item CPP. This will need to be done regardless, so I can message board. Message board. Maybe I can just ignore this, right? Interface. Fuck. No. I'll skip it for now. Nice, 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 nice. Item already has body. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So item panic. If you see this, so many errors. Vector 1, 4, 4, 5. STD. Nice. Item is more chunk file, my file system. Beautiful. So my FS, right? I'll just do this. Oh no. It's fine. That's fine. Item chunk file, my FS, my FS. Right. Sweet. 32. Singleton entity marker. Okay. This point, I guess it's easier just to create entity maker too. Entity maker CPP. It's funny that I commented a bunch of those includes and it didn't change shit. Oh, yeah. I need to add entity maker to the mix. Maker CPP. Cannot include front-end manager. Front, yeah, it's this guy. You won't be included, don't worry. Oh, entity maker already has a body. That's true. Entity maker, panic. Good. Okay, the profilers are all commented out. Okay. Okay. NGL mesh file extent. NGL. Const iterator is not a member of global namespace. That's a beautiful error message. It's a beautiful error message. Vector 932. Oh. Okay. Again, the particle generator bullshit. Oh, there's an entity pool. That's cool. Create entity overloaded member. Create entity or subclass. Create entity or sub. I have no idea. I just do this and not bother. Thank you. Thank you. Piece of shit, Explorer. Swear to God. What's the problem? Overloaded function class entity. It's too big. Not found in entity maker. Okay. Create entity. I have no idea what the fuck is wrong with this. Do I care though? Oh, nice. What? Just do this. Okay. Nice. 30. Still 32. Okay. G game pointer, it's here like 5 times, so who cares? Lens flare render, frame advance. Conglomerate, okay. Conglomerate. Yeah. This guy, right? Let's try this approach. Conglomerate. So I use of undefined light manager in a ref pointer. See, so in entity 51, class light manager, yes, that's true indeed. Ref pointer H. Okay, the problem is that this guy doesn't include light MGR. Okay, it's not light. Light. It's only at the opaque declaration of the class. Makes sense. Okay. 57. Entity maker. What? How did it explode out of nowhere? Bro, what? I'm so confused. Conglom. I'm so confused. Like the linking errors are increasing. Is it just, you know, retardation from Microsoft's compiler not being able to count the linking errors? Because it's what it seems like. It doesn't make any sense. I define a function and the number goes up. Okay, whatever. Glom CPP. NGL support, that beautiful function. Not function, but this beautiful file. But it should definitely be important. And I saw something that I didn't like. Yeah, this guy. Here. Okay, go. Skeleton interface. Oh. Where the fuck is skeleton interface? Oh well. Skeleton interface. H. Okay. Skeleton interface. H. There you go. Soft attribute. What? Okay, soft attribute interface. Soft attribute interface. Okay. I know I'll have errors here, but already, yeah, these guys. Nice. 23. Huh? What's the problem? What? Semicolon should be before. I didn't save it. Okay. Entity soft attributes. Okay. Entity soft attributes. There's the entity soft attributes. Oh, there's nothing here. Okay. And there's the character soft attributes. Character soft attributes. Okay. Character soft attributes.h. Here you go. Nice. 102 errors again. So undeclared identifier. Skeleton interface is undefined. Why? Oh, I know why. Because this is skeleton interface. Yeah, this guy. We go to physical interface. Easy. What? Entity interface. Why couldn't it find physical? I'm so confused. If I do physical, now it finds. Okay, sweet. I don't know. NeoVim is weird. 102 errors. from conglomerate is not a member of entity. Sweet. As hard attribute interface. Hard. That's another one. Physical. There's something weird going on. Search is broken on Vim for some reason. Okay. Lots of errors. And soft attribute interface. Okay. I'll just do this now. Soft attribute interface. Oh yeah, it touches everything. Another 2 errors. Okay, finally. Conglom. So you can just do this. Mm-hmm. Get shadow mesh, yes. Okay. 61. Nice. Hallelujah. Okay, get shadow mesh again. You guys. I really don't care about this. Oh, nice, nice, nice. 1 warning, 32. Okay. Why why is it not decreasing though? So lens flare looks like a good next candidate. So lens flare CPP. 7. Yeah, indeed. Doesn't build anything because lens. Yeah, this guy. Missing game dot. Wow. So I add a CPP file and suddenly, for some reason, cannot include vert work. It must be super important. Oh. Blend modes. Blend modes. Okay. Cannot open beach date. Okay, beach date is certainly not needed. Oh. Beach data, not needed. Let's get more errors. Kelly Slater's controller. Yeah, these guys sadly need that. Kickbox. Fatal. Finally, a fatal error that stopped compilation. That's sweet. Missing type specifiers and GLBM. Did. Okay. Wave region tube. Yeah. Wave. Let's just do this. Viewport. Lens flare, lens flare. That's true. Panic. So you just do this. Okay, you're unable to recover from previous errors. That's cool. 170. So what's the problem? Get viewport missing. What? I don't give a shit. Get player viewport. Okay. Why is the game now the problem, right? Game.h283. Why is this now a problem, right? Missing storage or type. Oh, it doesn't know it's a recti. Right. Is it even needed? Nice. 28. We're finally going down. Scene animation load. Oh, create entity or subclass. Beautiful. Okay. So create entity or subclass. Yeah. So you do this. You do panic, return null. Okay. There's another one. Panic, return null. Okay. 27. Nice. It only brought one down. What? So geometry man. So geometry. Okay, right. This guy. So geometry manager CPP. Maybe I can define it. So where's calculators? So geomgr. Yeah, I already see multiple problems. It's beautiful, man. geomgr. Fast scene, fast scene. This guy. Away. Get screen. Panic. Nice. Oh. Fast scene. So I'm not tripping, right? So I'm writing FAST sin, but it says it's side 81. Okay, indeed, there's nothing here. What's fast sin? Undeclared identifier. Well, sin FOV. Okay, it's most likely that stupid thing. Grab fast sin FOV. Fast proj sin. Okay, proj sin FOV. Proj const. Okay, proj const. Okay, indeed. Proj const. Ah, okay, these guys. To do. So 16. 20. It doesn't go down. What the fuck? That's the weird part. The number of linking errors isn't going down, which is really weird. Panic hole. Entity maker, file finder exists. Okay. Entity maker. $26. Okay. There's multiple weird errors. Collision. Yeah. Collision geometry. Lights. Can I just do this right? Okay. So this shouldn't be a problem, right? If I go here and do panic, return false. This should not be a problem. Okay, it's going down. It's going down. Woohoo. So debug render done. Okay, I can nuke these guys. Debug render done. Okay, file finder exists so many times. This guy. Panic return string x. Oh my. I see that they really liked rewriting the same code multiple times. 22. Oral dynamic system. So polytube is missing the destructor. Make instance. Yeah. CPP. Polytube CPP. Probably one of the most complicated things. Oh, so many empty lines. Thank you. B-spline game. Let's do this preemptively. NGL stuff stays away from my code. 7. Cannot include KSNGL. KS. Of course. And indexed. Am I losing my brain? How does polytube only have this? Fuck. How is... I guess these guys are playing stupid games. Illustrators per surf. Polytube. Polytube. What? It's in polytube? Oh, what? Oh, it's there. Oh, okay. There's a big space. Okay. 21 unresolved. Nice. There's a lot of matfuck stuff. Matfuck TPP. Matfuck CPP. Oh, wow. So, look at this beautiful thing over here, right? That's polytube. What? So these guys even recognize this, that this is purely retarded. Thank God they at least see how stupid the code got. Okay. That's the worst that can happen. For some reason, they need to define the... So I cannot do Control A. Okay. One of the problems that I see with this code base is all the circular dependency stuff. Region graph. Which you can kind of keep in check, but graph is not a member of STD. So graph. Graph.h, I guess. These are the things that weird me out about NGL. Okay. Translucent. Panic. Is this done? Right. I guess that all of these file will be commented out at this point. There's no way. I guess I'll comment everything. Map blend mode. Holy. Just depends too much on NGL. Map. Oh, yeah, everything will be commented out. Yeah. Panic, return true, doesn't matter. Nice. 16. Hull. Animation ID. Scene animation. Shit, I've been streaming for 2 hours. I want to finish this, but every single time I fix one of these, I get 10. Like this weird thing is going on. Like, I think the linker, MSVC's linker, is having a stroke or something. Because it doesn't give me the proper number. Unless... Oh, it's just built. No problem. Okay, this is what I like to see. So beam. And I just do beam CPP. I like when these files are, independent. They don't depend on each other. Yeah, of course. This beam via std. That fixes multiple problems. Get material is not okay. You say so. I have no idea. Panic. Kind of weird. I searched for vector and nothing showed up. I need to close my window. It's getting super cold. Oh, okay. I didn't do VRPR mesh, so I still have. Okay, no, I messed that one up. STD. It's commented out. Okay, everything is done here. 497, 497. Of course. It needs a PS2 equivalent. I don't think it does. 24 errors. All linking. Nice. Material. Material. PR mesh. Material, I guess. CPP. Please don't reference NGL. Unless the render. The render, it's fine to mention the NGL. File finder. Oh. Material CPP. This is one of those streams where it's just mostly adding files. 69 errors. Nice, nice, nice. Hardware Rasta. Yeah. 458. Sand texture. I haven't done that, so I cannot. Clamp. It mentions clamp, right? Panic. And context. Does this do anything besides just calling other things? Flag stash only. Again. There's a lot of things that keep popping up. I see NGL. It's one of those that it's just mostly commented out, I see. Texture MGR. I have no idea what this is. And yeah. Nice. PR mesh. So yeah. Now I have sky, scene animation. Animation ID. That's a light source. Light. So it's here, light. Light. So here's everything from light. Get frame advance. So now I can do this. Done. Bam. Light properties is not a function that can be called. Light properties already as okay. So now it can actually link. One error. What's the error? Redefinition at 55. So on line 55. Okay, I guess the problem is that target PC patch added PC. Okay, this should work. Nice, 16. Animation ID manager, sky, sim. Okay. Please, sky, be simple. It's one of those mega classes. Oh. Oh my god. Do you see that? It's a simple class. I cannot imagine this. 15. Nice, 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 nice. We're getting there. Scene animation, CPP. Scene animation, CPP. I forgot the dot. Physical interface, okay. Scene animation. Cannot align. What the heck is aligns? Align.h. Align.h. Well, I'm not surprised that it cannot find it. And these meters, so he wants align. So align doesn't need to be here. Scene animation already as a body. That's true, that's true. It should work now. Please don't bring the number up. 40, nice. V animation ID manager. Animation. Oh. Anim ID manager. I wonder where this is defined. Entity. In entity. Oh. We're back to entity. TCP. Anim ID. So what is missing from that guy? This exists. Oh, it's the top of the file. So I saw what was there and I walked away. Bye. Yep, we're not doing this now. 13, nice. VR, visual rep. So PMesh looks huge. Shrink memory footprint, okay. Okay, this looks fine. This guy, shrink memory footprint. Yeah, it's already there. So max ED. It's max city. Max city H. Okay. Simple. Vert norm. Vert norm. Vert norm H. Okay. V splits. Yeah, okay. This will definitely increase the number of bullshits. 34 STD, yeah. 102 errors. So long ago that we saw something like this. I guess. Okay. 204. Oh, this guy is like this. It didn't help much or anything at all. 374. Can you... Holy moly, how big is this file? Okay, all good. Prevented a bunch of errors. PC, whatever. Hardware Rust. And this... Let me just do this guy. I'm tired of this guy. Hardware Rust. Where does it come from then? What? So, so I'm tired of removing code related to it. It's related to PC rasterize. So, right, PS2 rasterize. Who the fuck included PS2 rasterize? It's in hardware rasterize, right? It comes from hardware rasterize. PC. These three. Okay. Do I have that guy? No, I don't. That explains it. Okay, the problem. Holy hardware rust. Okay, right here. Uh, uh, okay, right here. Let's get to the bottom of here. Bam. This guy. Missing. Okay. Thanks for telling me the same error multiple times. Before. Oh. So I actually copied Xform, whatever. Another 6 errors. Nice. Is not a member. Pmesh. Pmesh. Okay, this Pmesh is more of a mess than I thought it would be. Oh yeah, can already see how small this function is. Yeah. Render instance. Okay, just. Oh my god, so many errors, man. This is not. 688. Yeah, anything that includes rasterize. Alex JDB. Finish work on what? Panic. Fuck off. Does it work? The number is not going down. What the f? Man. Stupid C++ compiler, man. If I ask the compiler to do something and the compiler, the number doesn't go down. What the heck, man? Is it that hard? Diffuse. It's really weird. how. Hey, no, I don't. Yes, basically all of this file will be commented out. This point. Hardware raster. Okay, let's see actually what's here. Raster words. Let's try to have this. I don't know. Diffuse is not the fuck. Okay, where does color 32 come from? It's not in the imports. That's the weird stuff. Color 32. It comes from color. H. What? Wait. Panic. Return false. Color 32. I am absolutely lost. Why sometimes these things. Oh, okay. Let's go. So, unexpected class skipping. What the? 43. So there's an unexpected something here. Class. What? Whatever floats your boat, man. Unexpected. Why is this unexpected? I don't know. So those two Unix, these three hardware, rasterize. Yeah. The fuck? Unexpected class word lit. How is that unexpected? TC, undeclared identifier. Okay, TC. TC, it's texture quad. Okay, let's define this, guys. Texture quad. TXT quad. Yeah, it's literally. What the? TXT quad. Another one, man. TXT quad. Here you go. Cannot be converted from. Why is this TC undeclared identifier? Okay. So let's do this. Okay. No. So Xbox rasterize. Raster. why there was lit here? Oh, I that's literally what I typed. What the fuck? Okay. Rastavert. I have no idea where these guys come from. Bam. Okay, this should work. 0. Okay, whatever. So many errors. Okay, it's always the same error multiple times every time the file is included. Vector base class vertex context. Okay, vertex context. Indeed. So vertex context. Okay, right here. It exists. This guy. Okay. Now it's building. Getting errors. Max skin bones. Okay, what the fuck is that? Max skin bones. So cool. So I've got these guys, which max skin bones. Max skin bones H. Oh, I already have that shit. Okay. Max skin bones. Oh yeah. Okay. 8 errors. Insane. So I stopped panicking there. That's a warning. OS free. Fuck it. String texture deer. I have no idea what this refers to. What? Okay, this guy. Again. One error. The error is OS free and yeah, this is OS free right here. Panic. Was I writing to a different file for a moment? Git status. Pmesh. So many OS frees. What the fuck? Get animation lines. Okay, doesn't matter. Game enable marquee cam. And it just went up again. Vert buff. Oh my god. Oh, it went up because of the vert buff stuff. Yeah, where does it come from though? Grep vert buff. Oh yeah, okay. Okay. This guy. Right here. Okay, good. Um, okay, there's a lot of stuff here that I need to be careful. All of these guys. Putting this guy. This read. Okay. Yes. OS lock. Yeah. Ref pointer. Cannot open ref pointer. What? What's the problem with ref pointer? Oh. Yes, it's the first time that it's actually used. Whenever ref pointer again. Rasterize. Oh. Oh yeah, it's right here. See algebra. Okay, everything looks fine. Of course, these files are always included in every single file, so touching now the header files causes a big rebuild. It's kind of annoying. So ngl. So, okay, it's only very few errors though. So 205. We do this. So ngl. ngl flip. ngl flip. List. OS DevOps. Nice. 10. Oh my god. We're reaching unprecedented levels of conglom entity maker. Okay, there's a G entity maker. There's a G enable marquee cam. Okay. Game.h. Enable marquee cam. This guy panic. Should be 9. Don't bullshit me. Don't bullshit me. Class entity make instance marker. Yeah, fuck it. Make instance. Panic. Whatever. Okay. We are now G-game pointer WDS item. So item. Oh. Um. Hmm. Storage specifier. Oh yeah. I do this. Okay, it helped. G entity maker. I'm learning about this guy. Thanks. Thanks, GitHub. But where is it defined? Oh, it's in game CPP. Oh, wow. You know, that makes total sense. That entity maker is defined in game. Normal list too. Huh. Just so that you can see this. This is how C++ error messages look. They are completely deranged. It's like they are defined in col geom. Globals. Okay. I have col geom. Okay. 5. Okay. So hit their list. I need to make sure that I don't miss the name, because I get the full templates. Hit their list. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. I see now. Okay. So these guys. Do I have this guy? Yeah, I do. How do I Oh, G-game pointer is defined. Oh yeah, okay. So G-game pointer is defined in app. What the right? So G-game pointer is defined in app. But nice. So global namespace app 81. 81. I have no idea what BP3. So include BP3.h, I guess. Oh my god, it built. I can't believe this. I did it, man. It was such a long time to get this bullshit to build. Okay, git stat, git diff. Okay, so what I need to do is go to source files, add cpp. So go up one directory. There should be nothing to add, but just the real thing to add should be here on other files. Just go to include, and it should add a couple. Like bam. Save workspace, export makefile, yes. So checkpoint, WDS, builds and links. Holy moly. That's the longest. Git log, you know, it only took 1 hour and a half, you know. Oh wow, it took such a long time from these two. Oh well, okay. Let's just quickly test the game. Yeah, only 3 commits. That's crazy. IDA was basically useless today. That's because I was missing a lot. Oh no. Okay, so I need to run the validation. Fuck. So the problem, thank God it stopped. Expected for light source properties, right? Oh. I see. I see. Light properties, right? Oh. Oh no. Yeah, it links, but when a so I'm in this weird situation now. If it inherits from entity, right? How do I fix this? So light. This is what exists in light, right? Okay. So, I see. So, light source. Let's see how many things I break with this, right? Let's add that back. Light source. Yeah. Oh, entity is too big. Come on. I'm getting how many errors? 17? Okay, that's fixable. Entity light source. Illegal base member initialization entity. Okay, so 197. Okay, I can just comment these guys. That's easy. 15 now. Okay. Everything in light CPP 207. Link IFC. Panic. I guess. Remove from terrain. Yeah. Illegal member. Man, I'm not saving the okay. Is it done? My god, I cannot save the file properly now. Panic. Light, for fuck's sake, can you stop doing that? Oh, okay, go ahead. Make instance returns no value. Okay, whatever. WDS. So this is the WDS CPP. So 2727. So light source. Create entity. Patch. What's the other? Maybe it's only this one. Remove entity. Reintercast entity. Expected. Patch. Make instance. 392. uh, touch, and should be enough. Okay. Cool. So light source not being an entity is not too dramatic. What should I do now? Yeah, let's just copy this and validate it. It's turned into a larger stream than I thought it will be. It will be pretty chill just doing small functions. But turns out there's a lot of bullshit to be done. Skipping it. Look how quick this is at starting. Motion trail info there. Yeah, today I didn't patch anything. Okay. I like how in Kelly Slater they remove the guns. Because, you know, it's a surfing game. Okay. Okay, good. Yes, everything is working. Okay. Okay, git status. Git diff. Yeah. Git commit heck make light not an entity. Yeah. Yeah, I was about to do something that I shouldn't. Just stop the upload midway through Python backup. Okay, self-compressed state. Okay. Okay, I don't know what I did there. So Spider-Man, save. Don't save. Can save, cannot set ventilation. Alrighty. I can do it now. Okay. Very interesting stream today. I did not expect it to be this annoying, but at the same time I'm happy that I'm done with this. Now, yeah, I'll probably do world dynamic systems now. And all the little classes that exist. And yeah. It's kind of crazy if I look at reverse general. Yeah, 73 files changed. Yeah, it's too much to... Yeah, that's it. Before you go, I'd highly recommend you to go to my blog where you can learn more about what I'm doing. I did not expect this stream to go for so long, but yeah, that's what happens sometimes. And yeah, have a nice evening, everyone. Bye.